How to change font on iOS. Hey everyone, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that if there is a way to change the fonts on your iOS. So let's get started. On this process, I will want to inform you that iOS will not provide you to change the system font completely like on your Android, but you can as usual use the stylish font in apps like Instagram, Snapchat, WhatsApp or iMessages. So for that, you'll have to just use the external app. For that, open the App Store. Alright, after you open the App Store, here are the best app to use for stylish font apps on your any application like Instagram, Snapchat or WhatsApp. So simply the first one app is like fonts. Alright, so the font application will allow you to change the font keyboard for Instagram. As you can see, here is the demo of this application, and from this application you can as usual change the font or AI sticker for your Instagram. And for the another application, we have the application like font keyboard. Alright, as you can see, by installing this application font keyboard with AI, you will be able to change or use stylish font on your iPhone. And on the another hand, we have the application like better font. Okay, so from this application better font, you can as usual use this application. And at the last one, we have the application like cool fonts. Okay, so from this application font generator or cool fonts, you can as usual use this application to change the stylish font in the apps like your Instagram, Snapchat, WhatsApp or iMessages. So after you install this application, you'll have to just back from here and open the settings on your iPhone. And after you open settings, tap on general. And from the general section, you'll have to scroll down and tap on the option keyboard. Alright, from the keyboard section, tap on keyboard. And from here, you'll have to just tap on the option add new keyboard. And after you add and give the access for this application to allow changes for the keyboard, you can as usual use that font on your application from your iPhone. So this is the alternative method on your iPhone. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.